Welcome to Mail Backup X. Know how to backup your email account on Mac. To backup your email account, you can either use your email provider's built-in features or utilize a third-party backup tool. The Mail Backup X is the right solution for you. It is easy to set up, simple to use, and works flawlessly. Step-by-step guide on backing up Apple Mail account. Step 1. Please download and install the Mail Backup X application. Step 2. Double-click on the DMG file to mount it. Click the icon for app to launch the setup wizard. Step 3. Click Continue to proceed with the installation of Mail Backup X Personal Edition on your Mac. Step 4. You can leave the installation location to default set or may choose Change Install Location to set your custom location for installing the app. Step 5. You will be prompted for your Mac username and password by macOS to allow the installation to proceed further. Step 6. macOS will proceed with copying the files and configuring the app for use. Once done, you will notice the message installation was successful. Step 2. Once the installation is completed, launch Mail Backup X from the applications. Step 3. You may start the fully functional trial run for 15 days or activate it if you have already purchased a license. Step 4. You may choose to set up a new backup profile from the dashboard by choosing option, Set up a new backup. Or you may click My Backup Profiles on the left sidebar in Dashboard greater than and click Set up a new backup profile. Step 5. You will be presented options to set up back for a list of mail clients. Choose Apple Mail and proceed to next step. Users using macOS Mojave and above might get an error, disk access denied, if it's not already allowed while installing the app. In order to fix this, please quit Mail Backup X from the top menu bar. Step 6. Once you click and choose Apple Mail to set up a backup, you are presented with folder structure from Apple Mail accounts. Click Continue to proceed. Step 7. Now you are presented with advanced options like setting. Step 8. You can set the location of backup to local disk drive or cloud service by authenticating and adding cloud space. Step 9. Apple Mail Backup Profile is set up and now your emails should have started to back up as per the options and settings you selected during the previous steps. Download free trial of Mail Backup X. Thanks for watching Mail Backup X. Like, share and subscribe Mail Backup X YouTube channel.